Student present here. We gathered here for an IIC workshop on the title Entrepreneurship and Innovation as Career Opportunity. As a speaker, we have with us Mr. Alok Kumar. Alok ji is founder of an organic farm company called Pavni Organic Farms based in Patna. It is one of the largest farm fresh cow milk supplier in Patna. His startup has been recognized by Head Start as top 75 promising startup from India for the year 2023-24. His company is working on farming 360 model where they are delivering the organic produce to subscribers at affordable price by linking the value of agriculture and its allied industries. His startup is recognized and funded by the Startup India as well as by Startup Bihar. He has been in teaching profession also since 2005 and is taught in almost every B school around NCR. He has worked for a very brief period in HSBC Bank before venturing into his entrepreneurial journey. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause. Thanks for yours, sir.
So we have 25 minutes.
फूल तो तुम देने वाला था कट गया था फिर से
Okay, so we don't have much time. He's a first year student, I guess.
First year student.
First year means one semester.
first trimester in first trimester
First trimester.
So it must be getting over now. You must
Yes.
be teaching I have been doing since rather 2004-5. My working place has been Delhi, NCR. City of God, name like the university. Hyderabad, then NIT. I have associated gyms. So almost like these places I have taught. My area in teaching has been economics and finance, or rather I would say financial economics. But I have been an entrepreneur. You can say side by side I have been trying my best to do something. At my initial stage, I was into stock market. I had a stock broking firm also. Which I ran for almost like for Biharis and for let's say UPIs or for Bengalis or for Jharkhandis or for Priyas. The reason is that we don't have sufficient backups. I was able to build my entrepreneur journey. The reason is that I always had a backup for teaching. My Alok was like my teaching profession was the biggest investor for Alok entrepreneur. मेरा फार्मिंग बिजनेस बहुत लॉस में काम किया, काफी साल तक लॉस में काम किया. And who was funding those losses? Because I was into another profession. So idea is that when you start in an entrepreneurship journey, there are two things that you must keep in mind. This is my, Number one, if you're starting early, don't have backup like what I have. Then you will never succeed. When you're starting at later stage like where I started, you must have backup.